You know what happens when a cruise ship gets everything right? You get the MS Eurodam, and after spending time on this Holland America vessel, I can tell you this ship is doing something special that most people overlook. Most travelers think all cruise ships are the same floating hotels, but they're dead wrong. The Eurodam proves that attention to detail and passenger comfort can create an experience that feels more like a luxury resort than a typical cruise. This ship isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every single moment of the journey. Here's what makes this ship worth your hard-earned vacation dollars and why it might just change how you think about cruising forever. From the moment you step aboard to your final night at sea, the Eurodam delivers experiences that justify every penny you'll spend. The accommodations on this ship tell a story of thoughtful design and passenger comfort. Interior staterooms might not have windows, but they're spacious enough that you won't feel cramped, featuring comfortable bedding and smart storage solutions that make the most of every square foot. These rooms prove you don't need a view to have a great cruise experience. Ocean view staterooms take things up a notch with picture windows or portholes that bring natural light into your space. The difference is immediately noticeable. There's something about seeing the ocean that makes the room feel twice as large. These cabins feature the same quality furnishings as interior rooms, but with that crucial connection to the sea outside. Balcony staterooms are where the Eurodam really shines, offering private outdoor space that becomes your personal retreat. The balconies are generously sized, perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails while watching the sunset. Inside, these rooms feature separate seating areas and upgraded amenities that make them feel more like hotel suites than ship cabins. The suite categories elevate the experience to luxury levels with spacious living areas, premium bedding, and enhanced bathroom facilities. Many suites include priority boarding, exclusive dining venues, and personalized service that makes you feel like royalty. The Neptune suites even offer access to the exclusive Neptune Lounge, creating a ship-within-a-ship experience. Families traveling together will appreciate the connecting staterooms available in various categories. The ship also provides excellent accessibility options with specially designed cabins featuring wider doorways, roll-in showers, and other accommodations for guests with mobility needs. These aren't afterthoughts, they're thoughtfully designed spaces that ensure everyone can enjoy their cruise. When it comes to dining, the Eurodam doesn't just feed you, it takes you on a culinary journey around the world. The main dining room serves as the heart of the ship's food program, offering elegant multi-course meals with menus that change nightly. The service here sets the standard for the entire ship, with waitstaff who remember your preferences and make every meal feel special. The Lido Market transforms the traditional buffet concept into something much more sophisticated. Instead of one massive buffet line, you'll find distinct stations offering everything from fresh sushi to made-to-order pasta. The quality rivals many land-based restaurants, and the variety ensures even the pickiest eaters find something they love. Canaletto offers authentic Italian cuisine in an intimate setting that feels like a hidden gem in Venice. The handmade pasta and traditional recipes create an experience that transports you straight to Italy. Reservations fill up quickly, so smart cruisers book this specialty restaurant early in their voyage. The Pinnacle Grill serves as the ship's premium steakhouse, featuring perfectly prepared cuts of beef and fresh seafood in an elegant atmosphere. While there's a cover charge, the quality justifies the cost. This isn't your typical cruise ship dining. The sommelier can pair wines with your meal that elevate the entire experience. For casual dining, the dive-in serves gourmet burgers and hot dogs poolside, proving that even quick bites on this ship maintain high standards. The New York Pizza offers authentic thin-crust pizza that rivals what you'd find in Manhattan. These venues show that casual doesn't mean compromising on quality. The ship's bars deserve special mention, from the elegant Ocean Bar with its stunning sea views to the lively Sports Bar where you can catch games while enjoying craft cocktails. Each venue has its own personality, creating different moods throughout your cruise experience. Pool areas on the Eurodam strike the perfect balance between relaxation and entertainment. The main pool serves as the social hub, surrounded by comfortable loungers and featuring a retractable glass roof that keeps the party going regardless of weather. The energy here is infectious without being overwhelming. The retreat offers adults-only pool space that feels like an exclusive resort within the ship. The atmosphere is noticeably more peaceful, with premium loungers, dedicated bar service, and an infinity-edge design that creates stunning photo opportunities. This area proves that cruise ships can offer sophisticated relaxation experiences. Multiple whirlpools throughout the ship provide intimate gathering spots where conversations flow as freely as the bubbles. These aren't just functional amenities, they're social spaces where friendships form and memories are made. The positioning offers both sunny and shaded options throughout the day. The deck space extends far beyond just pools, with wraparound promenades perfect for morning jogs or evening strolls. These walking areas provide stunning ocean views and quiet spots for reflection. The ship's design ensures you're never fighting crowds just to enjoy the sea. Onboard activities transform sea days from potential boredom into exciting adventures. The fitness center rivals land-based gyms, featuring state-of-the-art equipment and group classes that keep you motivated. The ocean views from the treadmills make workouts feel less like exercise and more like entertainment. The sports deck includes basketball and volleyball courts where friendly competitions develop naturally among passengers. These aren't just painted lines on deck, they're properly designed sports facilities that encourage active participation. The evening tournaments become ship-wide events that bring people together. Entertainment programming goes far beyond typical cruise ship shows. The main theater hosts production shows that rival Broadway quality with professional performers, elaborate costumes, and impressive stage technology. These aren't amateur-hour performances, they're genuine entertainment experiences that leave audiences talking for days. Educational programs include cooking demonstrations, wine tastings, and cultural presentations that add depth to your vacation. These activities prove that cruising can be intellectually stimulating, not just relaxing. The expertise of the presenters ensures you're learning from genuine professionals. The spa and wellness facilities transform personal care into luxury experiences. Treatment rooms offer everything from traditional massages to cutting-edge wellness therapies, staffed by certified professionals who understand how to pamper guests. The thermal suite provides a serene escape with heated loungers, steam rooms, and specialized showers. Yoga and meditation classes take advantage of the ship's unique setting, with some sessions held on deck overlooking the ocean. These programs prove that wellness at sea can be more effective than land-based alternatives. The gentle motion of the ship adds a unique element to relaxation practices. The salon and barber services maintain the same high standards as premium land-based facilities. Whether you need a simple trim or complete makeover, the skilled staff ensures you look and feel your best throughout your cruise. These services book quickly, so early reservations are essential. Fitness programs extend beyond the gym with deck walks, aqua aerobics, and specialized classes that take advantage of the ship's unique environment. The variety ensures everyone finds activities that match their fitness level and interests. Kids and teens discover their own cruise paradise with dedicated facilities that keep younger passengers engaged and entertained. The Kids Club features age-appropriate activities supervised by trained youth counselors who understand how to balance fun with safety. These aren't just babysitting services, they're comprehensive programs that create lasting memories. Teen spaces provide age-appropriate hangout areas where adolescents can socialize without adult supervision while remaining in safe, monitored environments. The programming includes everything from video game tournaments to dance parties, ensuring teens stay engaged rather than bored. Family-friendly activities throughout the ship ensure parents and children can enjoy experiences together. Movie nights under the stars, family game shows, and special dining events create bonding opportunities that strengthen family relationships. These shared experiences often become the most treasured cruise memories. Special kids menus and early dining options accommodate family schedules and preferences. The staff understands that traveling with children requires flexibility, and they adapt services to meet family needs without compromising the experience for other passengers. Shore excursions and ports of call transform your cruise into a cultural and geographical education. The Eurodam's itineraries are carefully planned to maximize time in each destination while ensuring smooth sailing between ports. Popular routes include the Caribbean, Mediterranean, and Alaska, each offering unique experiences. Caribbean itineraries typically include stops at private islands where the ship's passengers enjoy exclusive beach experiences. These aren't overcrowded tourist traps, they're carefully maintained facilities that provide authentic island experiences. The coordination between ship and shore ensures seamless transitions. Mediterranean routes showcase historic ports where centuries of culture await exploration. Shore excursions range from guided historical tours to culinary adventures that introduce passengers to authentic local cuisines. The ship's tour desk helps match excursions to passenger interests and mobility levels. Alaskan cruises offer once-in-a-lifetime wildlife viewing opportunities and scenic cruising through fjords that take your breath away. The ship's positioning and timing maximize opportunities to see glaciers, whales, and other natural wonders. Expert naturalists provide commentary that enhances understanding and appreciation. The shore excursion program caters to various activity levels, from gentle walking tours to adventurous hiking expeditions. Professional guides ensure safety while providing insights that independent exploration might miss. Variety ensures every passenger finds excursions that match their interests and abilities. This ship excels in areas where many competitors fall short, starting with service that feels genuinely personal rather than mechanically efficient. Staff members remember passenger preferences and go beyond basic requirements to create memorable experiences. This attention to detail permeates every aspect of the cruise experience. The ship's size strikes an ideal balance, large enough to offer extensive facilities and amenities, yet small enough that you won't feel lost in crowds. Navigation is intuitive, and you'll quickly learn your way around without needing constant map consultation. This design philosophy prioritizes passenger comfort over maximum capacity. Cleanliness standards exceed expectations throughout the ship, from public areas to staterooms. The housekeeping staff maintains spotless conditions without being intrusive, and maintenance issues are addressed promptly and professionally. These standards reflect the ship's commitment to passenger satisfaction. The pace of activities allows for both engagement and relaxation without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. Unlike some ships that pack schedules with non-stop programming, the Eurodam understands that vacation means having choices, including the choice to do nothing at all. What sets the Eurodam apart from competitors is its commitment to authentic experiences rather than gimmicky attractions. Instead of flashy but shallow entertainment, you'll find thoughtfully designed programs that create genuine enjoyment. This philosophy attracts passengers who value quality over quantity. The ship's art collection deserves special mention, featuring museum-quality pieces that transform corridors into gallery spaces. These aren't just decorations, they're carefully curated works that reflect the ship's sophisticated character. Taking time to appreciate the art becomes its own entertainment experience. Holland America's partnership with BBC Earth creates unique programming that brings nature documentaries to life through presentations and activities. This exclusive content adds educational value that you won't find on other cruise lines. The programming appeals to curious minds who want to learn while they vacation. The ship's library and card room provide quiet spaces for those who prefer low-key activities. These areas prove that not every cruise moment needs to be high-energy entertainment. Sometimes the best vacation experiences happen in peaceful corners with a good book and ocean views. Conference and meeting facilities serve business travelers and groups with professional-grade equipment and dedicated staff support. These spaces can accommodate everything from small corporate retreats to large conventions, with catering options that maintain the ship's high culinary standards. The unique setting makes business meetings more engaging and memorable. Event planning services help coordinate special occasions like anniversaries, birthdays, and reunions. The staff's experience with shipboard celebrations ensures your special moments receive proper attention and execution. These personalized services transform ordinary celebrations into extraordinary memories. Wedding and vow renewal ceremonies take advantage of stunning ocean backdrops and professional coordination that rivals land-based venues. The ship's efficient and event staff handle legal requirements and logistics, allowing couples to focus on their special moment. These ceremonies often become the highlight of the entire cruise experience. Guest experiences consistently exceed expectations through small touches that demonstrate genuine care for passenger satisfaction. Stories abound of staff members going extraordinary lengths to accommodate special requests, surprise passengers with unexpected treats, and solve problems before passengers even realize they exist. One frequently shared story involves crew members organizing impromptu celebrations for passengers celebrating milestones during their cruise. These aren't scheduled events, they are spontaneous gestures that show the staff's investment in passenger happiness. Such moments create loyalty that brings guests back repeatedly. The ship's medical facilities and staff provide peace of mind for passengers with health concerns. The medical center is equipped to handle both minor issues and serious emergencies, with staff trained in maritime medical procedures. This capability allows passengers to cruise with confidence. Accessibility extends beyond just physical accommodations to include programming and services adapted for guests with various needs. Staff members receive training in disability awareness and assistance, ensuring all passengers feel welcome and included. This commitment to inclusivity sets a standard that other ships should follow. The ship's environmental initiatives demonstrate responsible cruising practices that protect the destinations visited. Advanced wastewater treatment, energy-efficient systems, and waste reduction programs show that luxury and environmental responsibility can coexist. These efforts appeal to environmentally conscious travelers. Technology integration enhances the cruise experience without overwhelming it. High-speed internet keeps passengers connected when desired, while the ship's app provides useful information and services. The balance ensures technology serves passengers rather than dominating their vacation experience. After experiencing everything the Eurodam offers, it becomes clear why this ship maintains such loyal passenger following. The combination of thoughtful design, excellent service, quality amenities, and authentic experiences creates value that justifies the investment. This isn't just transportation between destinations, it's a floating resort that happens to visit amazing places. The ship succeeds because it understands that modern cruising must balance relaxation with engagement, luxury with authenticity, and individual preferences with group experiences. Whether you're seeking adventure, romance, family bonding, or personal renewal, the Eurodam provides the platform for your ideal vacation. Smart cruisers who choose the Eurodam discover that the ship itself becomes as memorable as the destinations visited. That's the mark of exceptional cruising, when the journey becomes as important as the destination.